I want to solve the differential equation x squared times dy over dx plus 2x y equals ln of x, given that y of 1 is 2. Okay, the first thing to notice about this is, let's look at x squared and 2x. Well, what's the connection there? The connection is that the derivative of x squared is 2x. Now let's look at dy over dx and y. What's the connection between dy over dx and y? Well, dy over dx is a derivative of y. Okay, so this is basically what's happening. If we write it this way, okay, so this is what I just said. Dy over dx is a derivative of y with respect to x. 2x is a derivative of x squared. So notice this is just a product rule. And the two functions are x squared times y. And I'm going to put a prime here denoting that it's a derivative. Okay, so that's going to equal to ln of x. And now I want to undo this derivative. Okay, so how do I undo it? I take the integral. And I technically need dx here. So the integral is going to cancel out the derivative. So I have x squared y. And now I want to take the antiderivative of ln of x, which is x ln of x minus x plus c. If you're wondering how I got this, well, you could use integration by parts. You can let u equal ln of x, and dv will be dx. So du is the derivative of ln of x, which is 1 over x dx, and v is just x. So then we multiply this out. So we have uv, which is x ln of x, minus the integral of v du. So that's x over 1 over x. X times 1 over x is 1 dx. So that's just x ln of x minus x. And of course you have the constant c. Okay. All right, moving on. So here, let's go back to this equation here. I want to solve for y, so I'm going to divide both sides by x squared. And when I plug in, let's see, x equals 1, I want to get y equals 2. That was the initial value. Okay, so plug in y equals 2, x equals 1. So here, notice that ln of 1 is just 0. Okay, so this thing is just going to be 0. So I'm left with negative 1 plus c over 1, which is just 1, which implies that c has to be 3. So I'm going to take this 3 and put it back in for c over here. So my final answer is y equals x ln of x minus x plus 3 over x squared.